Want to get a free stock on Moomoo? Here's how you do it step by step. First, download the Moomoo app and open an account. You'll need to fill in your details and verify your identity. This is standard for any brokerage. Once your account is set up, you'll need to make a qualifying deposit. The minimum is $100. If you deposit $100, Moomoo will reward you with 5 free stocks. Deposit $2,000 and you'll get 25 free stocks. If you're able to deposit $5,000, you can get up to 60 free stocks. The value of these free stocks varies a lot. They could be as low as $2 or as high as $2,000. So there's some real upside. After depositing, you have to keep the funds in your account for 60 days. This waiting period ensures you don't withdraw immediately and still qualify for the bonus. Once the waiting period is over, you can claim your free stocks inside the app. The stocks are usually credited to your account within 5 trading days after claiming. You're free to hold on to these stocks or sell them if you want quick cash. One important thing, this offer is for US residents aged 18 and older. You will also need a valid social security number to sign up. So that's the basic process to score free stocks in Moomoo. If you are new to investing, this is a great way to start building your portfolio with some bonus shares. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and drop any questions in the comments below. I'm here to help.